What's up YouTube? This is TX Brad and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, but this isn't going to be an ordinary unboxing video. As you can see, I got 3 products and I decided instead of just doing one unboxing video for each product, I would go ahead and do all 3 of them since they all came in roughly about the same time. What I'm going to be unboxing is I got a product here from Richard Solo, I got a product from Skinit, and I also got a product from Proporta. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So the first product I'm going to unbox is Skinit. Let's go ahead and get right into it. See what we got. See, it comes in a tube. Got a piece of paper here. Let me look at it real quick. Okay, shipping info. It's also instructions. And as you can see, it is a skin. The skin is for my MacBook Pro 13-inch. I will be doing a video on this, doing a review on it. So stay tuned to it. And this is instructions on how to apply it. So I want to thank the people from Skinit for sending this out for review. The next product we're going to unbox is from Proporta. And let's go ahead and see what we got. Paper here, let me check it out real quick. Got more shipping info. And it also came with Yorkshire tea. And it looks like we have couple of cases. We got a soft feel silicone case. Feels really nice. And then we also have a protective hard shell. Both of these are for Apple 4G iPod Touch. And I also got a postcard from Proporta. It says, "Hello Brad. Here's your product for review. If you need anything else, then please ask. Hope you enjoy your items." So, pretty funny postcard there. And of course, it came with Yorkshire tea, which I've heard that they included that. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is just unboxing. I'll be doing a review on these soon. It comes with a screen protector. It's got a nice feel to it. It's silicone. It says Stereo Touch. This case kills 99.9% of all germs. As you can see, it's got the cutout for the camera, and you got your cutout for the ports for under the bottom, and your rocker switches. And it comes with a screen protector. And let's go ahead and check this one out. Protective hard case. This is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool design on here. It's got a zebra. It feels real smooth. And again, you got the cutout for a camera, Looks like it'll fit real nice on iPod Touch. So, and let's see if there's anything else it came with. And that is it. Okay. So that's the hard case from Proporta. And we got a soft case, and we got some Yorkshire tea. So I thank Proporta for sending these two products out for review along with the tea. And the last product I got for unboxing is from Richard Solo. Now this product, I actually won this in a giveaway about a week ago. It was a Twitter giveaway. They were giving out 25 headphones. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got. So it looks like we got a piece of paper from Richard Sillas. Thanks for entering our Twitter contest. Congratulations on winning. Close your prize. Okay, got paperwork in here. Enjoy a 10% discount on your next purchase. Looks like it's a catalog of their different products that they carry. And here we go. Put this off the side. And we got Richard Solo noise canceling headphones. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm anxious to see what these are going to sound like. I've never had any noise canceling headphones before, so I'm real excited to see how these are going to be. Let's see, it looks like we got a bag. So Richard Solo noise canceling headphones. And it feels like there's something in there. Let's see what's in the bag. So we got a battery, and we got headphone adapter. So you can have two headphones plugged in. And that's it. And and here we go. We got the headphones. They're compact. I saw them on a website before I got them and noticed these were really, really neat that they're compact like they are. Let's see. Go ahead and swing these out. And here we go. The Richard Solo noise canceling headphones. And let's see. And just got an information card for them. And that's it. So I'd like to thank Richard Solo for sending these out as a prize. Like I said, I can't wait to try these out and see how good they sound. So that about wraps up the unboxing, guys. I would like to thank Skinit for sending this out for review, the skin for my MacBook Pro. I would like to also thank Proporta for sending these silicone case and hard case out for review, along with the tea, which I will try. And I'd also like to thank Richard Solo for sending me this as a giveaway prize. And I'm real excited to see what these sound like. So, but stay tuned, guys. I'll have more videos on these products and reviews. So please, if you would, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.